possibly turn it.
We're gonna sweet-talk this bitch into it. Mitch, kill that autopilot and hit manual override.
Got it. It's working.
Prepare for takeoff!
Watch out! Coming from the right.
How are we doing, Mitch?
11%!
Shit! Can't you speed it up? Our hands are tied.
Carol, Mitch, how much longer?
27%!
Go, go, go!
That's a mistake.
See more drones on the road to the construction site. Standard cordon security. Nothing we haven't seen before.
Coming down the road. I thought there were both watching us. Damn combat unit.
We won't stand a chance without the Panther.
I'm doing my best. Mitch, you read?
Don't break!
Navigation module is damaged gun systems. Can I cut it?
Yes, cut it. We'll be fine without it.
AV! Goddamn AV inbound!
Things are about to get ugly.
They're going to land.
Eddie! Oh my lord! What do we do now?
We keep going. Finish this.
Fuck! How much longer up there?
Almost there. Nearly at 60%.
Enemy contact! I'm engaging! Brace yourself.
Just as I thought. A whole squad coming at us.
Things are about to get real ugly.
All units report. I can send a small army against us. That's a mistake. You'll regret.
Shoot! Shoot!
Anna, how much longer?
I'm doing what I can, Saul! No, Mitch is here. Boss is dead. Go, go, go! I'm myself here.
I know, Panel, I know. We'll keep you covered.
El Calabu! Brace yourself.
I can't believe it, but I think it worked. Still lots of scraps, still lots of life. Systems are lighting up. We're back. Inside me, quick. We're moving on. We'll try to buy you as much time as we can.
Much obliged. Keep watching. watch over Mitch and Carol and see to that gate.
The military. We have to intercept before it reaches the others. How do you like that, militia?
Listen, we just hit Night Core Vice.
More
Carol's
company
cutting
incoming.
through. It's slow work,
We'll
but it'll
handle
get done. Where are you all at?
The gate is planted firm on the land and secured tight. Trying to figure out where to place the charges, but we need more time.
There's no thumb twiddling going on here. We'll buy you as much... Hey! Militech's throwing more armor at us. By the ton! He's out of our hair. Shit me! We might actually pull this off. Oh, my. That's what I call a true forward. Mitch, is everything all right?
Aggressive rumble, yeah, but all seems good.
Holy shit! We did it! They're smoldering wrecks. We did that!
Saul, Mitch, head back your way.
Good work. After that display, you can be sure there's a place for you in the pen.
It's all right. Carol, you and Cassidy keep us secure here. You got it. Mitch, you're coming with us.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
No time to lose then. Let's go. Okay. I'm putting it on autopilot and disconnect.
Okay.
Is everything all right? You seem quiet.
This plan, all of this, was never a good idea.
It wasn't your idea.
Whose then?
Mine. It was my damned idea. I'm responsible for it.
And if you'd known how this had turned out,
I'd do it all over again. For anyone in the clan. Saul told me you brought in some help from Mikoshi. Someone from the outside.
Alt.
And who is that?
If there's a net-running queen of Night City, it's her. Or rather, was.
Why? Does she do something else now?
So to speak. Lives elsewhere, too. But she'll help us.
Mm-hmm. And you trust her?
Yeah, she'll help us. Why? Something got you worried?
I trust you. That's all I'll say. By extension, I trust this alt won't pull any rugs out from under us.
Things will work out. They gotta. Come too far for him not to.
This would be it.
How much farther to Arasaka Tower?
Not far. It should be easy sledding from here.